I got a Bloom Blossom, guys. I finally got it. I got a Bloom Blossom. Okay, so let's continue the video, guys. Kinda lagging a bit. So, I finally got the Bloom Blossom. I've actually given them some fruits. Some of them only, but I didn't give most of them because I just got to burn this stuff again. I'm getting a new bone blossom tree. Let's check what's in the edge. It's only common eggs that are in stock. So I'm gonna show you. I just need to do that to get more stuff. Wait, I need to crop all stuff so I can get another seed. So for those thinking, what is this? I just got it. That's why I'm not giving it away because I only trade it. I don't give this away. I need it. I just need to plant some bamboos. It literally takes 15 minutes, bro. Look how long it goes. Actually, a friend who has like 26 no, 26 honeysuckle in his inventory, bro. He's so rich. Finally, the full grown. Who wants this burning bod? Actually, who wants it to trade? And who has a red fox and dragonfly? I actually need the dragonfly and the red fox. I can trade you this. I promise I won't scam you because I like need it for a trade. Okay? So please, I just really need it. So let's get back to the picture. Who wants this golden struck? Oh, that's the guy I'm talking about who has like 26 honeysuckles in inventory. Who wants a 1 billion? 1 billion. Billion. It's not a million. Trillion, sorry. It's only a billion. I don't have money. For those who wants it, like, just trade me. I'm trading this honeysuckle for like dragonfly. Oh, this guy actually has a triceratops na mimic. Oh no, he left. Oh. Oh, join the game, bro. It's him. Oh, this kiddo is making me lag. Sorry, I'm not giving away any yet, so you can wait. You can just wait. You will give some, and I will give you the stuff I'm giving away. Good luck for some random people. Actually, if I hit and my subscribers. Okay, let's just wait for it. Five more bonus lessons. Finish. I'll be back, guys. My lightning rod is ready. See, I have it. Now let's check for the quest, and we can get. Oh, the egg was ready too. But the best thing is, I'm gonna try to give you a replaced it. Then I'm gonna go take this blossom. What is this kid talking about? I'm gonna pause the video for a second. You can go back, guys. Let's see how much it's worth. 15 kg, how much for 15 kg? 5 million! That's not even but this is all. No, this is my most expensive bundles. Let me see if I can find more bundles in the top. Oh. Wait, what? It's blocking the top. Bunig ba dun stock? OMG. Guys, hurry!